happens every fall. It's even shown on Clown TV. It's the day for clown baseball. At this year's Clown World Series, one game was left to play, and the Clowntown Clodhoppers were eager to go all the way. The final game was close throughout until the very last inning. The Clodhoppers needed one more run to have any chance of winning. Then Auntie McCaster came to bat. She could really let it rip. But on the bases, she was slow, 'cause she didn't run, she skipped. The pitcher took the signal, and then he threw the ball. McCaster swung a mighty swing. Steer right one was the umpire's call. The Clowntown crowd was nervous. To lose would be a shame. McCaster waggled her hefty bat to try to win the game. The pitcher's look was steady. His fingers gripped the ball. McCaster swung a mighty swing. Steer right was heard by all. Clowntown crowd grew quite quiet. The Clodhoppers did the same. Mighty McCaster kicked the plate, determined to win the game. The pitcher took the signal and put some heat into that ball. McCaster swung a mighty swing. Her hit was off the wall. McCaster skipped round first base as the crowd let out a roar. If she could beat the throw to home, she might even score. As she skipped round third base, she almost missed the bag. Would the catcher get the ball? And would he make the tag? The play at home was very close. All eyes were open wide. Then came a voice from in the crowd. It said, "Don't skip, slide!" When the dust had settled, and there seemed to be a ton, the umpire called McCaster safe. The Clodhoppers team had won. Auntie Em had saved the day. Her heart was filled with pride. The team had won the big game, 'cause McCaster learned to slide. The end.